Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your internet connection using command prompt CMD. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so we need to go ahead and open up command prompt. So click on search, type in CMD and make sure to run it as administrator. From here, click yes. And now we want to paste in this code. I'll leave in this code or this command prompt in the description below. So it's ping t 8s and dots. So click enter and then it will say reply from 8.8. etc. And then from here, so from the moment you hit enter, your device will ping the server every second, as you're seeing. Once your device has pinged the server at least 15 times, you want to press Control and C to stop it. Like so. So it's going to stop the test and let command prompt wrap up the results as you see here. And now from here, take a look at the numbers of packets sent and received. If they're equal and no packets seem to have been lost, the connection between your device and the host server is super smooth. And if you see some packets are lost, ping a different server and see if they get lost again. If you experience packet loss during both tests when pinging different servers, something is wrong with your internet connection. And also response times fluctuation can also be a good indicator of the stability of your internet connection. So if response times for ping vary greatly, then your connection is likely unstable and you need to investigate further.